As I turned it off, there was a wicked lightning strike. I'm going to keep it on for a minute just to see if, well, you can hear that. I was looking at it on the weather app, and the weather app had basically us in these big red cells, which we have tornado warnings till 6 a.m. I'm hoping maybe to catch another one of these crazy lightning strikes that just went through. But this looks light, but it's actually really dark. So it's kind of cool that the iPhone does this. So you can see, but if I'm looking with the blind eye, I don't see all that much. The wind's picked up. We've had 56-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I mean, not as bad as what everyone else is going to get when it hits the Big Bend there, the Panhandle, but still lots of danger with a big storm like this, no matter where you're at. Especially if there's tornadoes. I don't like the dark here. I haven't seen any more lightning strikes. Of course, when I turn it off, it's going to do it. Just know it. I'm trying to hope that it does it. Yep, there's the wind going. Pretty nasty out. This is exactly what they forecasted, though. I was thinking earlier in the day that we wouldn't have really much of anything because we hadn't seen much of anything. But can't see anything. I'll keep you updated as we go. But I'm only going to think it's going to get worse as time goes on because we have all those cells with that band that are in the deep dark red. So, ooh, there we go. Let's see if it does a loud thunder or not. Still off at a distance, though. It's not right bang bang, so. But Hurricane Idalia, this is it. Keep you updated.